Hello, and welcome to CircinoNow How-To video series. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to show you how to make the most of our features and functionalities, so you can thrive as a professional. Let's get started. To change your password, begin by accessing the Member Login menu in the upper right-hand corner. In the menu options, select My Account. On the My Account page, locate and click on the Reset Password button. You will be directed to the Reset Password screen. In the provided field, enter the email address associated with your CircinoNow account. This should be the same email address you used during the sign-up process. After entering your email, click the Reset Password button. You will receive an email containing a password reset link. Please check your inbox and, if necessary, your spam or junk folder. Click on the Reset Password button in the email. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the password fields. After entering your new passwords, click on the Reset Password button. Once your password has been successfully changed, you will see a confirmation screen displaying the message "Your password has been changed." You can now proceed to log in using your new password. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tutorials, visit CircinoNow at www.circinonow.com.
CircinoNow, where professionals thrive.